Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss the topic of school of thoughts in psychology. The first is structuralism. And the second one is introspection. The third is functionalism. The next one is behaviorism. The next one is psychoanalysis. The next is humanistic psychology. The next is Gestalt psychology. The next two is cognitive and evolutionary psychology. Next one is biological physiological or psychology. Next is the socio-cultural approach. Specialties or branches of psychology. And the last one is military psychology.
That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.